Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So today's video is going to be very, very different from the content that I usually provide, where I'm like, look at what I got, and I spent 14 cents, and I got, $600 of bonus cash. Um, this video is going to be just being 100% transparent with you guys. I have been couponing for 10 plus years, so I pretty much know how things go, but sometimes you just mess up. Today I was in a store where they were doing the vaccines. It was busy. The staff was like so much where the floor was almost moving. There were so many people in the store, and I think I'm just not used to that. So I'm going to shop only at nighttime for now on over at Rite Aid, because when a store is really busy, I kind of get nervous, but I think that's on me. So anyhow, to give you the abbreviated version of the story of how I messed up today was my order was supposed to be $50 before tax, and I just accounted that the tax was part of it, and an item didn't get scanned, and I didn't get my $15 when I spent my 50. So I came close. I think I was off by like 32 cents or something crazy like that. And I'm going to go back to the store tomorrow and pay for this one dish soap that wasn't scanned, but it was just an honest mistake. A manager talking to the cashier who was ringing me up, and she got distracted, and it was the one item. And I was listening in on the conversation too, so I wasn't like, scan my stuff. But the second you're not paying attention, these things happen. So the promotion over at Rite Aid this week is when you spend 50, you get back $15 in bonus cash. Tax is not included in that. So I was $50 before the tax, and the tax for my basket was like $3 or $4. It was quite a bit. So, just trying to get in and out of the store as fast as possible and trying to, be somewhat smart. The mistake happened, and it's just the way that it goes. So I wanted to make this video today to share this with you, because how long do you stew about this? How long are you upset that you missed out on $15? For me, I've been thinking about it for 2 hours. My husband's like, just get over it. But it says, as a couponer, you try to craft a basket to $50 to have this extra savings. And then when you fail short of that, it's something you think about. And even if I missed out on a $2 coupon, there's been days where I thought about it for a couple of hours. And I want to know, can you guys be honest with me? Do you have the same problem where if you make a little mistake, you'll just like obsess about it and think about it for a couple of days? So I'm just trying to let this go. I'm hoping you guys can cheer me up in the comments, and please don't show this to Ravi, because I don't think he's going to want to be my friend after hearing this video, because it's so crazy. But I was trying to rush my transaction in the store. There were so many people, and this one item did not get scanned. The cashier had to answer another question, and I was listening in, and I wasn't like, scan all my stuff. And it's just it just is what it is. So I'm $15 short, and I itemized, calculated the whole thing. So I'm definitely going to go back tomorrow and pay this 84 cents for this missing gain, because I don't want to be dishonest. But oh my gosh, like, what a freaking roller coaster. Kind of embarrassing to say, oh, well, the cashier didn't scan this, so I want to pay for it again. So, but I am going to do it, because I respect everybody at this store, and I don't want to, be that person. So, I'm curious, guys, do you stew about stuff like me, or is it just me with this sort of problem? And would you go back and pay for the dish soap? That's the other part of the question too. And please don't show this to Ravi, because I think he probably would unfriend me on the spot for messing up a deal over at Rite Aid. And oh my gosh, guys, it's one of those things. And I kind of feel a little better now that I've told somebody that, I can share this story with, not like my husband who doesn't understand couponing. He's like, whatever. But, to ask another couponer, like, what are your thoughts on this? How long do you stew? So I'm having ribs for dinner, so hopefully that'll really cheer me up. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.